Yeah, so if you're tired of failed transactions or declined debit alerts, this video is for you. Yeah, so if you are someone who shop online a lot or maybe buy stuff online with your debit card or credit card a lot, you might have come across problems like maybe insufficient balance whilst your bank balance or maybe your card balance is full, or maybe you have the exact amount in your card, or maybe your bank doesn't allow you to do that purchase for no reason. This is the best video for you. So I found the best app that allows you to create free virtual debit or credit card, of which you can use to purchase from websites like AliExpress, Temu, Apple Music, Farfetch, Shopify, anywhere that they accept Visa card. Yeah, so this card is totally free and you don't have to pay any monthly fee for maintenance. You have one CD up to 50,000 card limit per transaction. You are good to go. You just sign up, verify your identity, and just request for the card. And in under 20 or maybe 30 minutes, sometimes it's even less than 5 minutes, then your card is ready for use. Yeah, so before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to join this amazing YouTube community. I create tech tutorials, unboxing, and sometimes travel videos on this channel. Yeah, so let's get back to business. Yeah, so the GCB app allows you to create and validate your virtual cards. You can even increase the limit of it. So what you need to do is just pick up your phone and go to the Play Store or the App Store, download the GCB Ghana app, sign up, and I'm sure you have to verify your identity with your Ghana card. And after doing that, you have access to an instant account here. So this instant account is an account that you can send money from your Momo to that bank account here. So after creating that account and it has been verified, make sure you go to the home page and check the down tabs. You see cards option. Yeah, so if you click on that, you see prepaid virtual card. Yeah, so after clicking on the prepaid virtual card, they will ask you some on screen instructions, and after following that, your card will be ready for use. But here is the catch: you need to make deposit on the bank account for you to be able to send it to the credit card or the debit card for use. Yeah, so you use the normal process from any other bank or maybe your Momo. You copy your normal or your main bank account number and you send the money to that number, and you click on the card tab. You see your card is available, you click on the card and you go to top up card. Yeah, so if you go to top up card, you see the balance on your main bank account over there, then you enter the amount that you want to top up on the card. Yeah, so after entering the amount, you just click on proceed and you enter your pin that you set during the account creation process. Yeah, so make sure you remember your pin, because most of the times you are going to use this pin for most of your transactions or maybe top ups on the card. Yeah, so in case you want to use this card for payment on websites like maybe Jumia or Farfetch, just go back to the card tab. You click on the card and you see at the top there you have view details. So this is where it's very sensitive. You don't have to share this to anyone. It's just between you and the website, of which is entrusted by Visa and maybe Mastercard, in case you get access to the Mastercard option. Yeah, so you click on view details. You have details like your CVV, your expiry date, and your card number. So these are the details that you need to make any transaction on the internet. So after entering these details, the website will prompt your bank. They are going to make this so amount of transaction on the website, and the bank will also allow that. So they send you a OTP for you to validate or confirm the amount, and they deduct it on your card. Yeah, so the reason why I recommended this card to you is I've been using this card myself for shopping. And let's say you're going to buy something online and the rate is, let's say you're going to buy the thing 90 cedis, 60 pesos. GCB will deduct the exact same amount with no charges, no monthly fees, like nothing. So it's just the best so far. So these are some of the stuff you can do with this card. And in case maybe you use the card for any website trial or something and they try to deduct anything, you can adjust the card or even block the card, or maybe just pause the card for a while to block existing or maybe unwanted subscriptions on your phone and create a new one. Yeah, so let me know if you're able to create your new or maybe your GCB virtual debit card with this tutorial. Just comment down below and I'll see you again in the next video.